Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to turn on all group notifications in Telegram on your PC. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Step 2. Click on the hamburger menu, located in the upper left corner of the screen. This will open up a drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. Click on Notifications and Sounds in the Settings menu. This will open up the notification settings. Step 5. Scroll down until you find the Notifications for Chats section. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 6. Finally, click on the toggle next to Groups to turn it on. Once it turns blue, you'll start receiving notifications for all your group chats. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on all group notifications in Telegram on your PC. Now you won't miss any important updates or messages from your groups. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.